In this video guys, I will show you how to cancel flight ticket on Wizz Air and get a refund. So friends, all you have to do, follow me in this video. The first step, log in your account guys. By logging your account with your all information, click sign in, and after that go to booking and manage your booking, click find my booking. When you click on booking guys, you can get your all details. After that you click just request refund from here, this option guys. Click on request your refund, and then guys you will choose cancel flight ticket and then select your refund and write here choose the cancel either both, and then select the passenger for whom cancellation will apply. Just guys go to your account, log in your account and select login from here, and click on overview, and then click booking overview and click on request refund. This is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.